kids, welcome to our latest video. Today we will learn about Indian festivals. We celebrate all these festivals for joy and togetherness. There are two types of festivals that we celebrate. One is national festivals, another one is religious festivals. National festivals. First, Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. Republic Day is a proud day for all Indians as it marks the adoption of the Constitution of India. Second, Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Independence Day celebrates India's freedom from British rule. Kids across the country hoist the national flag, sing the national anthem, and participate in various cultural activities. Religious festivals. First, Holi, Festival of Colors. We celebrate Holi in the month of March. Holi is a festival that children eagerly await. It is celebrated by splashing colors on each other, which is an absolute delight for kids. Children use water guns, pitchkaris, and throw colored powders, gulal at each other, making the atmosphere full of laughter and joy. Second, Eid ul-Fitr. Eid ul-Fitr is an important festival for the Muslim community in India. People eagerly await this festival as it marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan. On this day, they dress in new clothes and visit mosques with their families to offer prayers. Number 3. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is a vibrant festival celebrated in India. For kids, it is a time of excitement and joy. They dress up in new clothes, visit beautifully decorated pandals, and enjoy the rhythmic beats of traditional music. Kids participate in cultural programs, watch mesmerizing idol processions, and relish delicious sweets. Number 4. Diwali, Festival of Lights. Diwali is one of the most popular festivals in India, celebrated with great enthusiasm. Children eagerly look forward to this festival as they get to burst firecrackers, decorate their homes with beautiful lamps, diyas, and create colorful rangoli designs. They also receive new clothes, sweets, and gifts from their family and friends. Fifth, Christmas. Christmas is a magical time for kids filled with joy and excitement. They eagerly await the arrival of Santa Claus, who brings them gifts and spreads cheer. Children decorate Christmas trees, hang stockings, and enjoy delicious treats like cookies and hot chocolate. They sing carols, participate in nativity plays, and spend quality time with their loved ones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.